let us start. So I'm beginning again with communication class here. So our communication has been divided into two parts. If you say analog communication and digital communication, I hope you have studied analog communication uh, previously. So you can assume that two questions or I can say 2 marks question or a 3 mark questions can come from your analog communication. And this time there is one flavor also, MSQ. Okay, from communication there is very less chance for MSQ part to come, but they can ask anything. What they can do, they will make a question, and in that they can ask 2 or 3 questions. Okay, and they can be the options that if they can ask power, they will do some questions like that. MSQ questions also we will do, don't worry. Okay, now let us understand the things that if I say about digital communication, we will study about random variable, random process. In digital part, if we say, we will study about DPCM, PCM, ASK, FSK, etc. and match filter, most important part, match filter also. In this we will study about SNR, and as well as what we will study about probability of error. We will call it as bit error rate. Is it fine? And apart from this, we will study about information theory as well as coding. This is also important part, and at last we will study about error correction. So I can tell you the bifurcation also, that what we will study, what can be assumed from exam, that they can ask for a 4 mark from random process, random variable, and this is the part of mathematics also, this random variable. I hope you have studied in your mathematics part. This random variable is very important, and for this basics is very important. Okay, for that you need to understand first of all probability. So we will start with that only. After that we will study about digital communication. In this they can ask from most important part, bit error rate. Gate is continuously asking from this bit error rate part. Okay, so I believe that you can assume that 2 or 3 questions can come from here.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello.
So you can assume that you can get 1 question from here also, 3 questions from here also, and 1 question from this information theory and coding. Is it fine? So, and 1 question from error correction. As soon as error correction has been come in your examination, when it was added, so so it started, it is coming for 1 question every time. So I will suggest you that don't miss this topic also. From here you will get one easy problem. Every time they ask some different question from this part. Okay. So now let us begin our class. Now let us begin our class with probability. Okay. So let us start with our class with probability. So anybody just can give me the idea of probability? Anybody just can tell me the idea for probability, that what do you understand by the word probability? I hope you have studied your mathematics part, so you are very much understanding to what is probability and what are these things. So let us study. Anybody? Yes, you can open up your mic and just say anything. Wrong answers are also appreciated, but you have to begin. Chance of occurrence, very good.